actually got 7 Catastropticons in this set. And one of them is a Buckethead. I know, we never got a toy of Buckethead. I call him Buckethead though. Like, this is how you can explain him. Damn, he's a... This is... Oh no, this is a weird robot mode. When we get to Rampage, he's worse. You have to like sit in, not stand in. And this is his confined mode. This is his confined mode.
I want to see.
This is his confined mode. No, he's not the hand because Scramble forms the whole left arm. But he becomes the back of Devastator. He becomes the means where all the things grind up. Ava, get out of my video! Dad, Ava's being in my video once again.
I just want to watch.
Guys, this guy didn't have a video yet, so please, after this video is his video, the shovel can move in vehicle mode. Stop, Ava! No. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Your name is no because you said it no.
Stop, Ava. No, Ava. This is his back. This is why I call him Buckethead because of his vehicle mode. He has a jackhammer in the back. He's Jackhead.
I want to salt in my cup.
He never like.
I want to salt in my cup, Wabi. I want to salt in my cup. Why you happy, guys?
Free lunch. So that's it for Buckethead. His combined mode is this. There's the No, Ava.
I was going to do that one.
This is one. This is one. This is his robot mode. Oh no, it looks like it's like mode because it isn't like mode. It's life mode and robot mode. Actually, this is his robot mode. His head's right here. That's his pretend head. Pretend head. So it's actually kind of playground. Kind of
I want to salt in my goldfish.
They already know what goldfishes look like. Everybody eats goldfish. This is confined mode. It's just this with the robot mode. This is confined mode. Now push him back. Next is Scrapper. Scrapper's robot mode is really accurate to the movie. This. I know it's really accurate. It's really accurate. Because these combine. This is really accurate to the series.
I got the goldfish, little goldfish.
I don't have the complete series of Devastator yet, but I do know that's. Am I touching it? Yeah, I'm touching it. This is Scrapper. And there's only one thing that changes, and there's only one thing that changes.
Swimming away because it's scared.
There's only one thing that changes in Robot Mode, and it is that. This is combined mode. He's an armored Devastator. I know it doesn't look like anything. Doesn't really look like anything. This is a darker one. This is a darker yellow. If you guys know. See, it's a darker yellow. All of them are the same scheme of yellow. I wonder if someone got a paint job or something. So, but that's Scrapper.
Hey guys!
Hi, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Ah, Grandma!
Ava! You're
That's
doing a
it,
YouTube
Please,
video.
we got to go face little one.
Oh, look at all that. Yeah.
I know that commercial.
Mm-hmm.
And guys, so next is Mixmaster.
You're showing me what you're doing. Is mommy?
Okay, guys, are you ready to see Mixmaster?
This
I
is
love your top, sweetheart.
this is
I
his
love your top.
this is his
You made this, remember?
Other grandma made it.
Oh.
I love it. I love it. Yeah.
And this
She
is-
gave me some elastic
His robot.
and some whatever the other stuff is
This
for
is
you.
his combat.
Yeah. Are you guys coming out this way
So
at all
it's
anytime
in
soon?
the
I don't know.
Florida.
Tootie, are you going to Tacoma anytime soon?
I just have
He said sometime before the
Barbie
weekend.
safe at my house,
So he
Grandma.
can be.
Oh, I
Huh?
Barbie's safe at my house, so
Your
I,
Barbie's safe at her house.
so I,
She has a Barbie from your house.
Barbie. Oh, okay. Well, you take care of her while you have her, okay?
okay.
Her name's JoJo.
Okay. Okay, I was going to tell mommy.
I want
think
to
I
turn
went-
be Barbie.
And this is
Okay.
Scavenger. Now transformation. He has more steps. More steps.
That
This,
looks yummy, beautiful.
I'm in the start.
This is all lined up.
We have stickers today, but now we're free in the back.
Okay.
There's not free in the
I'll
bag.
translate that one.
I bought them a bag of Dum Dums from the store yesterday, so she's excited about that.
I think it's a cake
And here's his robot mode. I know, it doesn't look like it. And I'm going to show you his combine mode. His combine mode is really like this. This is combine mode. And this could swivel so Devastator's head can turn instead of whale. For articulation. This
Barbie,
scavenger.
you're doing a video, not eating. You're supposed to eat.
This is Rampage. These guys are confused with Skipjack and Rampage. Rampage is the yellow one and Skipjack's the red one. No, this is his robot mode. Like I said, you have to sim. When I first started it with Buckethead.
And Barbie's eating blueberries.
No, I don't. No, I'm not. So this is his robot mode, but I usually have it like this.
Make it down.
This is his combined mode is this. His robot mode diagonal. Hey, you do not touch scrap metal. This. Rampage. I wonder why his name is Rampage. There's no way a movie could call it Rampage. His name should be something else, so like Scat, like Ran. Well, Skit. This is scrap metal.
Okay, you
So
told
he
him
can-
it's almost my birthday.
It's almost my sister's birthday. Right now she's 3, she's gonna be 4. And this guy has the most articulation on him.
Ah.
Actually, Scavenger has the most articulation on him. Just for combined mode.
Oh.
This is. So you want you to do some stop motion on this. This is, guys, you can't see the cow anymore because of
Guys, I have.
So you're gonna move the cow. Move the cow. No, put the cow right here. Put the cow right here. Right here.
Right.
Now you can see the cow better. Now the cow cave has a gimmick. His face can get ripped off.
I want to do it.
No, you have to show the YouTubers, Ava.
I want to show them it right here. Ah! Are you fine, Peppa? Mommy, Daddy, we have a mom and a dad, and that's it. And we are the rest of the family.
This game. This is how you rip off his face. And put it back on there. Now back to scrap metal. So yeah, this is his robot. If you put the okay, you can play with the cow. You can play with the cow. Do whatever you want with the cow. Do whatever you want with the cow.
He can stand by himself.
Whoa! He doesn't even need a stand, bro. It's crazy. So this is his problem. This is his robot mode. This is his leg. It's a really long leg. It's a really long leg. There's a 10-headed right there, right on top of it.
It looks like a walking cow.
Now his combined mode is kind of the same thing, but except you're gonna change.
What's his name?
Wheel. Turn them around. In this book,
That's it. Can he use it?
There's. Now we can start to combine all of them. We can start to combine all of them. Now, starting off with the torso and back and head. So we'll take bucket head.
Bucket head.
And Ava, can you hand me Scavenger and Mixmaster?
Where are they?
This is Mixmaster. This is Scavenger.
So this is Scavenger.
Yes. There's Scavenger.
And this is Scrapper Metal.
No, that's Mixmaster.
I'm here.
So we're gonna combine all of these three. These three. So we're gonna combine Mixmaster.
Let's see if he can stand on his back. He can!
And Scavenger. So sorry.
Are you okay, guys?
Slide
Are you okay, guys? I
Scavenger.
think they're okay.
Shovel. Mixmaster. Make sure not all the way. Make sure the shovel like just hanged in there. Hangs in right here. Every playing with the cow. The mushroom cow. They're my cow. Now combining. Oh, this came undone. Yeah, that can be like a train. It can be like a train.
Oh, fix first. Oh!
You make like terrific trucks. I like trucks.
The cow wants to see you guys.
So moving on to the back of the Devastator. So we're gonna take Buckethead, of course.
He wants to say hi to the YouTubers.
Moo. Moo.
Are you okay? Come back to me, Mommy. Mamacita, you are Mamacita. You
Yeah,
are.
this is how you can buy me.
You are
Mammy.
someone else.
Okay.
You are someone else.
There's a working
Now,
grinder.
so Mimi, go
Here's
get
a
your
grinder
own.
where everything
There's
grinds
your
up,
own
grinds
one.
up,
It's a
grinds up,
strawberry
grinds up, grinds up, grinds up, grinds up. And that is this. So moving on to the legs, the combine, the torso. So Amy, can you hand me one Holland Rampage?
So they're right here.
Yeah, that's one Hall. That's Scrapper.
Me.
One Hall.
One.
No, that's Scrapper.
Mommy, Squappy. Squappy, that's Squappy.
No, it's Scrapper.
Squapper.
No, this guy is really tricky. So you want to combine him into Scavenger's front tires when that's the back of Devastator. Buckethead fell out of the shovel of Scavenger. It's because these guys don't really connect. You're gonna need Play-Doh to connect them. And I don't have any Play-Doh, so that's a bummer. That's a bummer. You're gonna need it for the.
It's
So
okay.
please get out your Play-Doh
We
and
will.
attach it.
Get Play-Doh
Okay.
for my birthday, Wobby. Your toys will be perfect. Alright?
Okay. And this is how you connect it. Just get some Play-Doh, attach it to the front tire, and then put on Rampage. Put on Rampage. If everybody in the world will watch this video. And now, one how it's the same thing, so I'm not gonna show it. And the arms are the same thing, except I'm gonna show you what side they go on. I'm gonna tell you what side they go on. I'm gonna tell you what parts they go on. So, guys, Rampage becomes the left leg of Devastator. Scrapper becomes the left arm of Devastator, and Scrapper becomes the right arm. Buckethead becomes the right. Buckethead becomes the back. Scavenger becomes the whole torso. Mixmaster becomes the head. And wow, oh, we have the right leg. Scrapper becomes the right arm of Devastator. So, guys, please do what it said with these guys. Do not have Buckethead. Do not have Buckethead be running around.
Are you guys tired?
And this is.
Are you
See,
guys?
see?
I think you're tired.
See?
Tell them if you're tired, then
Are you guys tired? Comment down below if you're tired. And guys, that is it for today.